Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect another OnlyFans account from your OnlyFans account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, on your screen you're gonna see few login options. Just give your credentials, then log into your OnlyFans account. Once you have logged in, at the bottom you're going to find options like home, notification, new post, chat, and your user icon. Tap on your user icon. Once you tap on your user icon, we can see a menu appearing from the right side of your screen. There you're going to have to navigate your way to settings, where on settings you can see options like profile, account, privacy and safety, notifications, and display. Go to your account option from your screen. Once you go to account option, you can see categories like account info, linked accounts, connected accounts, security, etc. Under connected accounts, you can see connect another OnlyFans account. Tap on that option, then you're gonna find disconnect button halfway through your screen. Just tap on it, then your OnlyFans account will be disconnected from another OnlyFans account. And guys, that's it. That's how you disconnect another OnlyFans account from your OnlyFans account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.